Hello viewers, welcome back to my Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept from Western schools of philosophy, that is Pragmatism. Previously, we have posted a few concepts from Eastern schools of philosophy like Sankhya philosophy, Yoga philosophy, Nyaya philosophy and Vedanta philosophy. I'll post the links in my description box. Please watch them. Also, we have uploaded two concepts from Western schools of philosophy like idealism and naturalism. Kindly watch them. Coming to our concept, Pragmatism. Let's discuss meaning of pragmatism, introduction to pragmatism, definition of pragmatism, principles of pragmatism, what are the types involved in pragmatism, and educational implications of pragmatism. First, let's move on with meaning of pragmatism. Etymologically, the word pragmatism is derived from the Greek word pragma, which means activity or work done. Some other scholars think that the word pragmatism has been derived from Greek word pragmatikos, which means practicability or utility. Pragmatism is also called as experimentalism because pragmatists believe experiment as the only criteria of truth. Next, introduction to pragmatism. Pragmatism is the first developed and is derived from the teaching of Charles Sanders Peirce in 1870s. It was revised and reformulated in 1898 by William James. Primarily as a theory of truth, further it was developed, expanded and disseminated by John Dewey and F.C.S. Schiller. Definition of pragmatism. According to James B. Pratt, pragmatism offers us a theory of meaning, a theory of truth of knowledge and a theory of reality. What are the principles of pragmatism? The truth is changeable. This change is according to space, time and situation. As the truth is changeable, in the same manner, the goals and objectives of life are also changeable. Each theory, thought, belief or objects is evaluated on the basis of its goodness or evilness. If its fruit is good, then it will be useful or else not. Thought is always produced from activity. Activity occurs first and then thoughts are produced. Pragmatism holds pluralism. According to pluralism, experience is the test of truth. Man has the power to think. He has the ability to understand a problem, to think about its solution and to work accordingly. Due to his power, an individual is able to adjust to his environment and adapt the environment to him. Man is a social being, so his life grows in the society itself. He makes his life successful in the society. He has no existence outside the society. What are the types of pragmatism, friends? Let's discuss. First type is humanistic pragmatism, which satisfies the human nature is only true and real. According to humanistic pragmatists, whatever fulfills my purpose, whatever satisfies my desire, whatever develops my idea is only true. The second type is experimental pragmatism. Whatever can be experimentally verified is true or whatever works is true. Third type is biological pragmatism. And biological pragmatists say that man has the power by which he adjusts himself to his environment or adapts environment to himself. Let's wind up this video by discussing educational implications of pragmatism. Aims of education. The first aim is to cultivate a dynamic and adaptable mind which will be resourceful and enterprising in all situations of human life and which will have the power to create new values in an unknown future. The second aim is education must create new values. It's the most general aim of education, guys. The third aim is education should be continuous reconstruction of experiences. Knowledge cannot be fixed or predetermined. It can change. It changes from time to time and circumstance to circumstance. So knowledge can be gained from experience, and experiments is the real knowledge. Content and the pragmatism. According to Pragmatism, curriculum for different stages were: at the first stage, reading, writing, arithmetic, study of nature, drawing and handicrafts should be preferred, and at the secondary stage, languages, sociology regarding to society, physical science, maths and health, and especially for girls, home science would be preferred, and for boys, agriculture and science was determined. The principles of pragmatism were: principle of utility, principle of interest, principle of activity, pragmatism and methods of education, principle of experience, principle of integration, principle of linking with life, principle of learning by doing, and principle of integration. Methods of education according to pragmatism were: the teaching method is the best method, which should be based on children's interest and is able to solve the problem of child is most preferable. According to pragmatism, the experimental method, project method and manual training, which is human training, hands-on experience, produces a collective occupational spirit in the school in which the individual simply acts as a cell in the social body. The teacher and the pragmatism. Pragmatists want the children should discover knowledge on their own, and teachers should play the role of active observer and guide in the discovery of his knowledge. He or she puts the child in the real life situation of his or her own life, so that he might be able to understand his problems and thereby solve them on his own. According to pragmatism, a child is the center of education. The child is naturally self-active and he or she learns by doing. He or she has acquired many experiences through this pragmatism, which gradually shapes his or her own personality. Finally, discipline and the pragmatism. It believes that social discipline based on child's interest, activity and sense of social responsibility. Pragmatism believes that play and work should be combined, and this combination will develop a mental attitude like discipline, interest and sense of purpose. He or she will develop self-confidence, self-reliance, cooperation, sympathy and fellow feeling for others. Like what others think, what may others feel, what may others hurt. Okay friends, I'm signing off. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE Teaching Channel.